So sometimes we're looking around the house and we see a project and we go, oh, that is not for me. I'm not even going to begin to tackle that. But the professionals can. That's what they're here for. In the sponsored interview, I'm joined by one of those pros right now, Kelsh from A+ Garage Doors. Craig, so nice to have you here.
Good morning, Dina. Thank you.
Our beautiful backdrop as we talk a common issue if you are a homeowner. Now, tell me a little bit about the business and the history. You've been around for quite a while, making that name and reputation for yourself.
Yes, yeah. So we've been serving Utah for the last 20 years. It's actually my sister is the one that originally founded the company 20 years ago, and they've just done an amazing job at servicing this Utah community and having such a great time doing it too. We love helping people fix their garage door issues or replace them and taking care of all that has to do with garage doors.
And we've gotten to chat with her too, and we know how incredible she is and her business is. But when you are looking for that repair or for that big project, you want to make sure that you are in the hands of somebody that you can trust, who is going to care about you and do that quality work, and you are the people to do just that.
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Let's talk about the locations, because you have the one up in Salt Lake near our ABC4 studio, but also one right here where we are.
Yeah, it's actually located over by Costco down here in St. George, Southern Utah, and it's a great location. It's one of the best showrooms in town, and we'd love to have people come by and take a look at what we have to offer and what we can get for them.
I love that business is booming and you've expanded even into Vegas now.
Yes, about earlier this spring we expanded down into Vegas, and it's been great. We've been just launching out and trying to service that community as well.
I thought this was interesting. Depending on where you are in our state, we've got these different temperatures and climates. What you might have an issue with when it comes to your door here in St. George, you might have something completely different up in snowy Salt Lake.
Yes.
What do you see a lot of here?
With the heat, we do definitely see a lot of parts breakdown, electronics especially with motors and different things like that, receivers, electric safety eye sensors, but also springs are a common issue kind of wherever you're at. But rollers having more of an issue down here because of so much sand and wind that we get down here that's not really as common up there. So that breaks down some of the roller parts and bearings and things like that more.
How do we know if we are encountering an issue that needs you to come out and take an assessment, take a look?
If you're hearing anything strange with your garage door, I mean, it's kind of like a moving wall on your home, so it's a pretty big thing, and so you definitely want to keep it functioning really well. Having it serviced every year is absolutely essential. Having us come out and do an inspection, see if there's anything we can see, do the testing, manually operate it. But if you hear anything odd, or if it's just not behaving the way that that it should be, you absolutely should get us to come out there and take a look at it. And we'll come out there, do an assessment, and kind of go over different options, whatever is going to work for you.
And don't jump to the worst case scenario and think I have to replace everything, because maybe, but maybe not. There's all sorts of things that it could be. The motors, joints, hinges, cables. Maybe there's been damage to the door.
Yes. We can often kind of refurbish or do an overhaul or rebuild on a garage door and get many more years of life out of it for a fraction of the cost of a new door. And it saves people a lot of money, so we definitely try to do that where we can.
You can even help us electronically, getting something wired, connected, hooked up for us.
Cars, remotes, keypads, phones, all sorts of stuff like that we can get connected.
And that is the way to have that app on your phone, so don't let that technology scare you either. Right now you have an offer, $75 off any garage door repair deal. The promo code is A+ Utah. Where do we get a hold of you and find one of your locations near us?
It's 435-233-7722 is for the number down here, or stop over to our showroom. Our address is 3284 East Deseret Drive.
There we go, and we will link you to everything on our website as well. Thank you so much, Craig.
Thank you.
And thank you to A+ Garage Doors for this sponsored segment. Up next, we are checking in with our good friend, Patrick Manning. More exciting updates. GTU is back right after this. Stick around.